Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Gmail account details. First of all, you have to go to the web browser and type in gmail.com. Once you have done that, you will want to go to the top right on your icon, then press on it, and then press manage your Google account. Once you have done that, go to personal info. Then you can see all your details here. If you want to change your name, press on name, then the edit mark, and then you can change it to anything you want, and then just press save. If you want to change your birthday, press on it, and then just change it here. You can also change your contact info, your gender, and your address, also your password. I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for watching.